Welcome to Redneck Tubing. You ready?
Yeah! Let's go!
Welcome to Texas Barrow Adventures. I'm Brad Harrow, your host, and welcome to Snowmageddon.
Yes. We will
Look at
be
this.
showing you how to make a sled out of this.
We don't get snow very much down here in Texas, especially South Texas. So this is very unusual. I think the last time it snowed this much and stuck for this long was like...
Never!
Birdie says never. No, it was like 80, I think it was 87 or 84. I don't know. I think it was 84. Anyway, so since we don't have any of the supplies to properly sled, we're gonna take this wheelbarrow apart and take the handles and the wheel and everything. We're gonna get in that, and we have a trash can lid right there. And then I just saw that. We might be using that too. I don't know. That's not, Birdie says it's not gonna work. What's not gonna work? The barrel's not gonna work?
No.
What about that?
That might.
What about this? This was my idea, and I think this is gonna work the best. What do y'all think?
This will work like this.
Surface
All right.
works the best.
Let's get this taken apart.
I'm a chicken. I'm a chicken. Don't mess with me. I'm a chicken.
Uh-oh. I dropped my nut. Dropped my nut in the snow.
Good luck.
Good luck. I found it. Got it? Yee-hee! Oh, this one's gonna be
That'll probably work.
This one's gonna be amazing. Now, y'all want to get drugged behind the Suzuki?
Yes, yes, yes,
No.
yes, 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 yes.
I think we need to drive out that way first
We
because
can drag 'em.
it's gonna be pretty bumpy.
I don't got it.
Nah.
They're gonna get dumped, dude.
No, let's
We won't
do
go
it.
fast.
Phil will just be
You
like,
want to do it?
yeah.
We can do it.
No
Of
one
course.
thinks that
This is our first travels through the icy pasture. Dun dun dun. Good thing we got this all-weather Suzuki sidekick with the heater going, and it is currently...
Let's just not run out. We're not gonna run out of gas, are we?
No, we got plenty of gas.
Does that gas gauge work?
The gas gauge does work,
Okay, good deal.
but it's okay.
Pretty close.
But I got 5 gallons up on the roof because this is also my bug out vehicle.
Yeah, and West
But
Texas.
we're at our bug out location, so. All right, we are at the gully.
Oh, let me just try because I weigh more than you.
Birdie's gonna give it a go. Woo! Hey! Up! You all right?
Here I go.
I think the other side's gonna work better.
I was just trying to get over to the other side.
Oh, whatever. Come on, Lele. We're done. Don't do that, Connor. Get up. Are you all right? Can you get out?
I've fallen and I can't get up.
I can't get up.
Come on. No, that one's not working.
That one's not gonna go.
You and brother get on the red thing together. Here we go. It's going, it's going, it's going. Oh, there it goes. Oh, man. Might be too heavy.
Yeah. One of you get out. Liam, it's easy.
Yee!
My turn. I'm gonna try this again.
Woo! There you go.
Yeah.
Awesome. All right, Liam, do it with this one.
That was insane.
There you go. Yeah.
I tried to race him.
Why did you run down?
He was trying to race him, he said.
Hey, watch out.
There we go. Here's Coco. Whoa! Oh, whatever. Freaking drama rama. Here, come over here, Liam.
Wait, I want to go.
Oh, Mom wants to go. Okay. No. Okay, push, Mom. Yeah. Whoa! You. Was it fun?
Here he comes.
Cowabunga, dude.
Later, dudes. Let her rip, ain't 10.
You took out the host. Then you would have been eliminated.
Woo! Man, that was crazy. What happened to my headlamp? Oh, there it is. Woo! All right. This is round 2 of the sledding behind the Suzuki. And yeah, I rigged it up with a tow strap right there. And we got some, huh?
It literally says Suzuki.
Yeah, of course it says Suzuki. It's the best UTV ever made.
Show ever made. Not ever made. It's show ever made.
Show ever made. Show ever made. All right. So we got some paracord right here, rigged up to the holes where the handles were on the wheelbarrow. You ready, boys?
Yep.
guys okay? I got him!
I